Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has announced his final squad for the FIFA World Cup preparations that will take place between the 23rd of March and the 1st of April against Panama. Here are the players that he has called. Goalkeepers Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss and Ronaldo Lena. Defenders Khudiso Mudau, Thabang Matiludi, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Aubrey Mudiba, Khulumani Ndamane, Ime Ocon, Samkelo Kabini, Mbekezeli Mbokazi. Midfielders Teboho Mokoena, Jayden Adams, Talente Mbatha, Siphephelo Sithole. Forwards Oswina Police, Tshepang Moremi, Evidence Makgopa, Lyle Foster, Bongokuhle Hlongwane, Relebohile Mofokeng, Themba Zwane and Thapelo Maseko. Those are the players that Hugo Broos has called. That's the 23-man squad. Now there's one big omission from the squad, and that's Orlando Pirates goalkeeper Sipho Chain. Sipho Chain has been excluded from this 23-man squad, even though he has most clean sheets of any goalkeeper in the Betway Premiership. Now let me hear your thoughts. Do you think that Hugo Broos did the right thing to drop him? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. Hugo Broos' Bafana Bafana DNA was not there at the last AFCON. He says, I was very disappointed after the AFCON tournament. It was not what we wanted. The level of games we played was not what we were used to. During the AFCON camp, I didn't feel the Bafana DNA, the unity, the joy was not there. And I know the reasons. But I'm 100% sure the DNA will be there when we are going to the World Cup. It will already be there now during these friendlies. That's what Hugo Broos said. And here's what he said regarding Brendan Peterson, Siyabonga Ngezana and Thapelo Morena. He says, if Brendan Peterson wouldn't be injured, you should have been with Bafana. Ngezana is injured. There's a risk he will not be ready for the World Cup. It is a knee injury. Thapelo Morena is injured again. From the players that he called from the preliminary squad, these players didn't make the cut. Sipho Chain, Darren Johnson, Dino van Rooyen, Oluwethu Makhanya, Vuyo Letlapa, Tylon Smith, Ndamulelo Maphangule, Mthetheli Mthiyane, Luke Leroux, Ekrem Reyners, Patrick Maswanganyi, Yanele Mbuthuma, Kamogelo Sibilibili, Mohau Nkotha, and Thapelo Morena. These are players who didn't make the final cut. Now let me hear your thoughts. Which player do you think deserved to be on this squad from the players that he omitted from the 23-man squad? And there's no Kaizer Chiefs player in Hugo Broos' squad. So do you think that come the World Cup in 3 months' time, do you think any player from Kaizer Chiefs will be able to make the squad to go to the World Cup? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. And the squad is dominated by players from Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns, with Mamelodi Sundowns having the most players in this squad. They have a total of 7 players in this squad. Here are the players from Mamelodi Sundowns. It's Ronwen Williams, Khudiso Mudau, Aubrey Mudiba, Khulumani Ndamane, Teboho Mokoena, Jayden Adams, and Themba Zwane. As well as Thapelo Maseko, if we can include him as a player from Mamelodi Sundowns, because he's still contracted to Mamelodi Sundowns even though he plays for EAK Larnaca in Cyprus. So it means Mamelodi Sundowns have a total of 8 players in this squad. And then Orlando Pirates has 6 players in this squad. It's Oswina Police, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Talente Mbatha, Tshepang Moremi, Evidence Makgopa, and Relebohile Mofokeng. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this squad? Are you pleased with the squad that Hugo Broos has called? Let me hear your thoughts. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.